Hello kids, welcome to my class. Do you know what are the things that we put in the garbage? And what happens to the garbage when it leaves the house? Let's find out from this lesson. The things we no longer needed are called waste, and the waste are of two types. One is biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. For example, biodegradable waste are of all the food items or the leaves, for example, and non-biodegradable waste are the plastic, metal and grass. So what is biodegradable? When you put something in the soil which decays, that is rot, and mixes up with the soil is called biodegradable waste, and which doesn't rot and which doesn't mix up with the soil is called non-biodegradable waste. For example, if you just dug a hole in the soil and you put a piece of leaves or a paper and a glass into it. So after you open it up like 2 or 3 weeks later, what you will find is that all the leaves, or if you food items or the leaves, will be decayed. Okay, but you will find that glass will be not getting mixed with the soil. So that is called non-biodegradable waste. Another is called electronic waste. What is electronic waste? Electronic waste is an e-waste, that is the waste that is no longer being used. For example, a repaired radio, television, etc. The waste collectors collect the waste from the homes and offices and leave them at the neighborhood garbage dump. The waste is then taken in trunk to the large open dump outside the cities. So that is called landfills. So the image that you are seeing is a landfill. In our houses, we must separate the biodegradable waste from the not biodegradable waste so that the biodegradable waste can be used to make compost, which is manure for the plants. More waste is generated in the cities and towns in the villages because they are more populated than the villages. Moreover, people in the cities earn more. Therefore, they buy more stuffs and hence waste more than the people in the villages do. Waste in the cities comprises mostly of plastic bags, thermocol, glass and metal pieces. These wastes are generated in homes, offices, factories, construction sites and hospitals. Waste in rural areas, it's still mostly biodegradable. Though nowadays even there, plastic waste can be littering the streets. What can we do to reduce waste? There are 3 R's that we can follow to reduce these waste. That is reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce the amount of garbage generated. Ensure that whenever everything is being thrown away that cannot be used. Carry a cloth or a jute bag when you go for shopping to avoid the use of plastic bags, or buy things with less packaging. And next is reuse. There is a lot of waste that can be reused. Tins, can, bottles, plastic containers can be reused to store things. And give old books away to others who could use them. Write on paper which is blank on one side and make notepads from it. Recycling. The recycling means converting the waste into reusable materials. Aluminium cans, glass, plastic items can be melted down and used again. As well as the old papers can be recycled. Recycled paper is made from a used paper. So it is a recycling process. And also it is good for the environment if you reuse the paper. From this video, you clearly understood what is waste, the types of waste, and how can you reduce the waste by using the 3 R's. I hope you understood. Thank you.